double penny whistle track.
Not a bad place to be, outside the Kyalami Raceway here in Johannesburg. Of course here with Mercedes, and there's a collection of some of the metal. There's some of the classics, AMG, Black Series, you name it, a ton of cool cars. You can see some of the new AMGs arriving that side, and we're going to be checking out a bunch of them, including the new Mercedes-Benz SL43 AMG.
You went to the screening of Pull My Daisy? Yeah, did you enjoy it? Yeah. Yeah, I love that movie is great. That's the second time I saw it. David Ammer talking about it. It's really, I love that movie.
Well, then you were inside. You loved that. I know they probably got 10 minutes. And they were turning people away.
No.
And then
Okay.
Pace car up ahead of me. The time is now. Let's drive the all-new SL43 AMG, the ultimate 2+2 roadster, Sport Licht. This is an awesome experience. You're getting all the modern Mercedes-Benz appointments here. This big screen at the center, and just listen to the bark. A 2-liter 4-cylinder motor delivering a lot of power. It is an incredibly gripping and engaging car, this. I love the futuristic instrumentation cluster glowing up ahead of me. The incredible feel of these bucket seats in here, and listen to the bark of the engine. Hard on the brakes, hard on the brakes. Oh, this is a very good experience. You also find that thanks to having the folding Z configuration soft top roof, they've managed to bring the weight down a bit. Now remind you, it's still quite heavy. We're talking close on about 1800 kilograms, but with some near 300 kilowatts of power and near 500 Newton meters of torque. The clever systems here making sure it keeps us in balance, and what a way to experience it. Oh, what a sound this makes when given the opportunity. Hard on the accelerator. This is a thrilling car to drive.
Brakes, start squeezing earlier than later, allowing that vehicle to settle all the way into the entry, tightening up, get closer to the apex, tighten up, smooth on the power out.
You got the little rotary dial here on the steering wheel so you can select your drive modes. You got the futuristic instrumentation cluster up ahead, the MBUX system, these bucket yet comfortable seats here, the full multi-adjustment, the Burmester sound. It is S-Class levels of luxury, technology and sophistication only brought into the SL class. This is ultimate forward thinking. It's always been that long bonnet, swooping roadster, the perfect vehicle for Saint-Tropez, Cape Town, you name it, anywhere. It's always been the ultimate roadster. Only here, this latest generation, the R232 SL, the one we're going to get here for 2024 for South Africa, is an exceptional car from the Mercedes-Benz brand, and what a chance to experience it here on the Kyalami Raceway, see what it's like, open it up. I look forward to putting this car out on the road, taking it for some boulevard cruising, because it is an exceptional, beautiful luxury roadster, this, from the ultimate three-pointed star.